Hey guys, welcome back to RS Car Premium. So we have got a Nissan Micra to our store to get upgraded, audio upgrade. The car has come from Chennai. So customer wanted a 360-degree camera. Along with that, he had a lot of rattling noise. So he wanted to add a damping. Along with that, he had a parking issue as well. So we are adding a 360-degree. With respect to audio, what we have done over here is we have added a focal component, focal coaxial, and we have added a 2 layers of damping. So on Android system, we have added 4 GB RAM, 64 GB internal, which will come with an wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto with a SIM slot option. Along with that, it also supports 360 degree. So on this car, we have added 360 degree. So let's listen to the music and the calibration how we have done for 360. So if you guys wanted to get a car upgraded with audio or with an Android system, please reach out to RS Car Premium.